Dr. Osar. Once again, coming to you from California. And last couple of videos we talked about foot placement, how to progress it. Now we're going to talk about single leg stance, because that's really the ultimate stabilization, is being able to stabilize on a single leg pattern. Because again, all sports, most activities of daily life, including walking, running, occurs mostly on one leg. So we have to make sure the person can stabilize on one leg. Again, a challenge with standing on balance equipment is that we tend to grip and we tend to lose stability or create too much mobility that the person has to control, too easy to create compensations. And too often we progress our clients without even ensuring that they can stabilize on one foot or one leg without compensations. So this is what the client has to do prior to putting them on balance RX pads, balance boards, Reebok step boards, BOSUs, things like that, okay? So again, we're gonna look for the foot placement we talked about in the last couple of videos. Big toe, little toe, heel. So create that tripod. Make sure you line up the ankle, knee, hip, foot, okay? So make sure that that's aligned. And what we're going to do is we're gonna think about a long line through the top of our head. We're gonna extend out. So kind of some of that Feldenkrais training that you may have heard of Feldenkrais. He does a lot of visualizations and movement patterns based off thinking and using the brain to connect to the body. We're going to use a lot of those aids to help our clients think about where the position should be. Because as I load up, I want to see the foot contact be maintained, and I want to make sure that I can stay elongated and not collapse down. Because again, instability, the body's reaction to instability is to collapse down, crunch down, to flex, to add depth. We want to make sure that person can activate their core through here, activate their foot intrinsic muscles, step up onto one leg, create that nice elongation through the top of their head, maintain that position. That's balance training. If the client cannot do that without compensations, we cannot move them on to further exercises or more progressive exercises. We'll switch to the other side, same contact, switch, and just see how your client maintains their balance and stability as they switch from side to side. Think long through the spine, transition, long through the spine, watch for the alignment as they transition, watch for how much compensations. There should be a minimal sway. There should be excessive motion like this as a person's, that's not balance training, that's creating compensations. There should be a nice easy transition between foot to side. Once you create this motion, then we can start to put drivers in through the arms, reaching forward, reaching the leg back, out to the side. You can rotate, open up and rotate. But again, it's all about creating that position through the foot, ankle, knee, hip, stabilizing the core before we progress to more advanced patterns. This is Dr. Osar. Thank you again for joining us on Fitness Insider. I'll catch you next time back in Chicago.